So it's a Karnataka speciality, as the name itself tells you. Mysore is the place. It was the capital of Karnataka, and it was created in the king's court by the chefs there. So it's called Mysore Pak. Pak means the consistency of the sugar syrup, and it becomes like a thread. Till that, we melt the sugar. So it's called Pak. So Mysore Pak means that. Anyway, happy Diwali.
Can you give a little intro about yourself, because you...
I have been a teacher. Lastly in Bangalore, I've been to Mumbai High School. I'm a teacher there in high school for 9th and 10th. And my hobby, of course, yoga I do every day, and I teach yoga. And
you are a singer?
Music from childhood I learned, Carnatic music, and I sing Carnatic music. And I have also given concerts. 1 cup of besan or gram flour. 2 cups of ghee. Now the ghee is already lightly melted. And I need 2 cups of sugar. Putting sugar. 1 and 2 to submerge the sugar, not much. Otherwise it will take longer. As I told you, if you want it harder, then it has to rise more. Then so you add more
ghee. And this is 1 cup of besan.
And this cup is not up to the brim. It is a little less to the brim. The thing I want to tell is use a pan like this, girdle like this. Do not take non-stick. This is not non-stick, this is iron.
Oh, this is iron?
Oxidized iron or something like that. And this is a
kadai, aluminium kadai.
Aeroplane material. It's a thick one.
So why should non-stick not be used?
First thing is non-stick, you do a lot of this stirring. Stirring when you're doing, the coat may come out first. And it may come to your spoon depending on your non-stick. And also this heat, after you put the besan, it will catch down. So we have to do like this.
So there is this tip, special tip from this lovely mom and grandmom है कि आप non-stick मत use करिए, otherwise आपको परेशानी होगी.
When you roast this, the raw smell of the besan should go. Till then you do. The batter
directly in the chashni.
See, now it's almost coming to the, see, it's leaving the pan. So when you do that, you should be able to see the bottom. You do like this, you can almost little bit, you can see the bottom, right?
Yes, yes.
Now the ghee will start giving out.
To glow for you to be healthy. And immediately we should pour it down.
There's nothing here now.
Yeah.
Check to remove also. Take a pan and smear with lot of ghee.
Lot of ghee.
So that this won't stick. On this cold,
When
I
it
will
is
take it like you do for cake.
Mm-hmm.
Keep like this and tilt.
Ah, acha.
Take the vessel into the other plate.
Okay.
So the pieces will fall.
Okay.
I'm going to make the cuts.
तो वो जो ग्रैन्युलर फॉर्म था वो अपने आप स्मूथ हो जाएगा ठंडा होने पे?
This is softer batch, so I removed it earlier.
अच्छा, okay.
Like it was leaving ghee, no? So it was bubbling too much.
हाँ हाँ.
So instead of allowing too much of bubbling, before that you remove, then you get this consistency.